Hey, what's up? Jason Hopkins here. So you're watching this video wondering whether or not to invest money into your business or simply continue to build your business without investing. You probably you probably have this idea that once you join an opportunity that everything is going to fall into place without you spending a dime. The idea of you building a business without spending any money, it's almost like saying it's like almost a person saying to you or coming to you, here, try this dietary supplement that's going to help you build muscle without you doing any exercising. Now, let me ask you, would you be sold on that idea? You probably wouldn't. Now, the best way to learn how to market a business for free, you have to look for people in your industry that's teaching you these skill sets. And if you think this education is not going to cost you anything, no one's not going to teach you this. No one's not going to teach you how to make your first $1 million for free. That's just not realistic. That person's time is valuable. So if you're not willing to invest into your business like most successful people have been doing and still continue to do, then the reality is you're going to be building your business for a very long time. I want you to try to keep in mind this business is your life. A life that's going to create you true freedom where you're going to be living on your own terms. You won't get what you want if you don't let money go. I'm telling you, I'm not trying to tell you, it's impossible to build a business without capital, but it's going to take you a very long time to see any type of success. So, don't expect to see results as quickly as you want to see them. You want to try to rely on paid advertising that's going to generate more leads and sales faster for you. If you have a budget to do paid ads, then do so. I can't stress that enough. Let's be honest here. How many successful people that you know that never invested any money in a business that's making millions of dollars? You have to invest in an education that's going to help you grow, that's going to help you grow and help your business grow. If you can't if you can't let money grow, if you can't let money go, then you can't grow. That's just the reality of it. That being said, if you're looking for a proven system that's going to give you accelerated leverage for your business, that's going to help you generate more leads and sales, what you want to do is click that link below where you'll be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and email. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content that I provide. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thank you for watching.